Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kahoot account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. Click open a web browser first, and soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in kahoot.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Kahoot. Now, in order to log into your account, go and click on this login button at the upper right corner. You can also select your language of your choice by clicking on this globe icon at the right corner. Select your language that you'd like to change and click on login. Now, in order to log into your account, you can either log in using your username or your email and password option, or you can also continue logging in with your Google account, with your Microsoft account, and also with your Apple account. Let me go ahead and type in either my username or email. Make sure to type it in correct and move on to the next field and type in the password for your account. Make sure to type in your password correct as well, since you'll need to enter your password in order to log in, which is a must. Double check your password by clicking on this eye icon in the right corner where it says so password, so that you can reveal your password and move on to logging in. In case you don't remember your password, then you can click on reset your password link right below, follow the instructions, and you can change your password to a new one quick and easy. Once you enter all the credentials correct, click on log in and you will be logged into Kahoot account in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.